We gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and authentic overview of the Flying Orb Ball, 2024 Galaxy Cosmic Globe UFO Boomerang Hoverball by FSBT. If you already own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to this product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Flying Orb Ball 2024 is a hand-controlled, rechargeable mini-drone designed for entertainment across all age groups. Its standout feature is its ability to light up, spin, float, and climb through the air with a simple wave of the hand, offering a magical and interactive experience. The ball responds to hand gestures, allowing users to guide it, make it return like a boomerang, hover, and perform unique flying patterns. This versatility has made it a hit at family gatherings, parties, and casual play sessions both indoors and outdoors. The ball's design is visually striking, featuring vibrant RGB lights that flash and change colors during flight. Its compact dimensions, measuring approximately 4.37 by 3.74 by 3.46 inches and weighing just 4.5 ounces, make it easy to handle for children and adults alike. Constructed from lightweight yet durable ABS material, the Flying Orb Ball is built to withstand the occasional bump or drop, which is especially important for younger users or energetic group play. Performance is a key highlight according to user feedback. The ball charges quickly via USB, reaching full power in about 25 minutes. Once charged, it provides up to 30 minutes of intermittent play or 8 to 10 minutes of continuous flight time. Many users appreciate the convenience of charging it from a laptop or power bank, making it easy to keep the fun going during gatherings or outdoor activities. The battery life is generally considered sufficient for most play sessions, though some users mention that more continuous play would require periodic recharging. Usability is another strong point. Reviews consistently mention how easy it is to get started with the Flying Orb Ball. Children as young as 6 have no trouble turning it on, learning the basic controls, and experimenting with different flight patterns. The intuitive hand gesture controls make it accessible even for those who are not typically comfortable with remote-controlled toys or drones. Adults often find themselves drawn into the fun, with several reviewers noting that the toy brings out their inner child and encourages group play across generations. The Flying Orb Ball excels as a gift. It is frequently purchased for birthdays, holidays such as Christmas and Thanksgiving, and special occasions like Easter or Father's and Mother's Day. Its universal appeal ensures that it is well received by boys and girls, teenagers, and even adults. The toy often becomes the centerpiece of family events, with children and grandparents alike joining in the laughter and excitement. Several reviewers recount stories of giving the ball as a surprise gift and watching it quickly become the most played with item at the gathering. Durability is generally praised, with users reporting that the ball holds up well to rough play, accidental drops, and frequent use. The ABS shell provides a good balance of lightness and resilience. However, a minority of reviewers remark that the ball looks flimsy upon unboxing, though most find it more robust than it appears once they begin using it. The construction quality, especially for the price, is often cited as a pleasant surprise. The lighting effects are a major attraction, especially for play in dimly lit rooms or at night. The bright flashing colors add a sense of spectacle and make the ball easy to track as it moves through the air. Children are particularly captivated by the changing lights, and parents appreciate that the visual appeal helps keep kids engaged for extended periods. Sound is another aspect to consider. The ball emits a slight fan noise during operation, which some users notice but generally do not find distracting or unpleasant. The sound level is described as mild and not intrusive, allowing for play without disrupting conversation or other activities. In terms of versatility, the Flying Orb Ball is suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. Indoors, it can turn a living room into an aerial playground, while outdoors, it is ideal for backyard games, park outings, and school events. Its lightweight design means it is not suited for use in windy conditions, but in calm weather, it performs reliably and safely. The ball's safety features, such as the enclosed propeller design, minimize the risk of injury or damage during play. The toy's entertainment value is consistently rated highly. Users describe it as mesmerizing, magical, and endlessly fun. It encourages active play, coordination, and creativity as users invent new tricks and games. The social aspect is also significant, with the ball serving as a catalyst for group interaction, friendly competition, and shared laughter. Many families find that it draws everyone together, from young children to adults, making it a memorable addition to any gathering. Some users note that mastering certain tricks, such as the boomerang return or advanced hovering, requires a bit of practice. However, the learning curve is gentle, and most users are able to achieve satisfying results within a short time. The sense of accomplishment when successfully performing a new maneuver adds to the toy's appeal. While the vast majority of reviews are positive, a few users mention minor drawbacks. The most common critiques are the relatively short continuous flight time and the initial impression of flimsiness. Additionally, some users wish for a longer battery life or the ability to purchase additional batteries for extended play. Despite these minor issues, most reviewers agree that the overall value, fun factor, and build quality exceed expectations for the price point. The Flying Orb Ball's popularity is reflected in its customer ratings, with an average score of 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 400 ratings. It ranks highly in the toy parachute figures category and is a frequent bestseller during the holiday season. The combination of affordability, ease of use, and universal appeal makes it a standout choice among toys and gadgets for 2024. In summary, the Flying Orb Ball 2024 Galaxy Cosmic Globe UFO Boomerang Hoverball by FestBT is a versatile, entertaining, and visually captivating toy that delights users of all ages. Its intuitive controls, durable construction, and dazzling lights make it a favorite for family gatherings, parties, and everyday play. The minor drawback, such as short continuous flight time and initial concerns about durability, are outweighed by the overwhelming positive feedback regarding its performance, ease of use, and ability to bring people together. If you are looking for a unique gift or a fun addition to your collection of gadgets, the Flying Orb Ball is highly recommended. Remember to check the link in the description to support the channel, and if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed choice.